Weather impact alert valid throughout the day today through early this evening. Going to be valid again the back half of tomorrow and all day Friday, with the flooding threat increasing. So the severe threat is basically going to dissipate by dinner time tonight. But 12 to 8 p.m. we are potentially under the gun for a few strong to severe thunderstorms again. Let's dive straight into it. Talk about yesterday first and foremost. Yes, we had a tornado warning yesterday evening. Hill County for about 90 minutes. Took a while to expire. We heard of hail up to tennis ball sized in Groesbeck, Itasca, and other areas near Meridian as well. And some folks got, like Meridian, got 1.6 inches of rain. So this swath right here that I'm pointing to here in our northern and northeastern zones near Waco, Lacey Lakeview, some large hail being reported as well. All of that again yesterday evening. A lot of other folks just completely missed out, but today is different in the next few days. Overall rain chance is really going to ramp up, and again the severe threat is present over the next 8 hours or so, and then is really going to back off with cooler temperatures, the arrival of the front, which is happening now, and overall the severe risk goes down, flooding threat goes up. So you can see it is just gross looking out over Killeen Regional right now. Flags moving nicely. The front is now approaching and moving through our central zones, and with it just pockets of drizzle. You step outside, you feel the humidity still in place as the front does impact the viewing area. So severe weather outlook, a very large swath of central, northeastern as well as southwestern Texas, because of the frontal boundary being situated across these zones, is going to make for that level 2 slight risk, which is pretty much our whole viewing area, to see isolated, keyword isolated, strong to severe thunderstorms in the PM hours for today. Hail is the primary threat, up to 2 inches in diameter. Behind that, straight line winds. Tornadic risk is lower than yesterday, not zero, but lower. So looking at current radar, it's now 11:16. You can see the front is draped across our viewing area, as I mentioned. There's now severe thunderstorm watch. Corsicana, Fairfield, pulling into northeastern Texas, where they're already seeing the strong to severe thunderstorms near the Texarkana area, so well to the northeast of our viewing area, northeast of Tyler even. But they're already seeing the strong thunderstorms. We are not quite yet, but you can see some accumulating rainfall starting to be the case. So we're seeing right along where the front is situated, which is going to be the highest threat to be seeing, highest risk area to be seeing the severe thunderstorms for today. That does include the Brazos Valley, and I think they likely have the highest risk to be seeing these pop-up thunderstorms because that's where the front is currently situated. Likely it is stalling out as I speak, and as it lingers from the Austin Metro to College Station, I think is going to be the highest likelihood to be seeing those strong to severe thunderstorms. And again, it's going to be isolated. Not everyone is going to see this activity, but a good chance you are seeing a little bit of rain at your house. This is very light activity again for now. Not so light of activity, you can see a pair of severe thunderstorm warnings. This is likely pulling in inch and a half hail as well as gusty winds, and you can see there's a severe thunderstorm watch. Again, that's right outside of our viewing area in northeastern Texas. So going to continue to see an uptick of thunderstorms on radar. This particular model is pulling in a couple of isolated cells that look strong to potentially severe. Again, the highest risk is hail, and behind that, straight line winds. Of course, lightning going to be embedded with any activity. Severe threat goes significantly down this evening, but the flooding threat's going to go up back half of tomorrow and throughout the daytime on Friday, moving out by Friday evening. Multiple rounds of rain, and some folks could get around 3 inches. That is going to reinforce an already saturated ground, and especially for Friday, going to be watching out for some isolated pockets of flash flooding. So again, just to recap things, in second weather model is also pulling in isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, maybe some hail cores up to 2 inches in diameter. That could cause for some damage. Not everyone sees it. It is going to peak mid to late this afternoon, dissipating by dinner time. Tomorrow, the back half of tomorrow, new weather impact alert because we likely are starting to see isolated bouts of flash flooding. Friday, 100% chance you see rain at your house. You can see rain will be heavy at times, favoring the Brazos Valley for 3+ inches of rain between right now and Friday afternoon. It was a lot that I just covered. Weather headlines are going to match a 7-day forecast, which talks about the severe threat from 12 to 8 o'clock. Highest threat being hail. That is going to be isolated. Severe threat goes down for tomorrow. cooler temperatures on the way and the flooding threat does increase. So the 7-day forecast calls for that weather impact alert back half of tomorrow through Friday. And again, severe threat goes down after this afternoon and evening. Flooding threat goes up. Lindsay, it's always good to see rain as we hit the month of May, but I don't like this severe stuff. Hopefully we can knock that out, get some more rain, and be situated really nicely ahead of summer.